Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is investigating a Central Texas school district.
He wants to hear from leaders in Hutto about claims that a district employee told someone how to get around a state law that restricts how transgender students can compete in sports here in Texas.
Hutto ISD officials are now addressing those claims. KVUE's Kelsey Sanchez joins us in the studio to explain. Kelsey.
Ashley and Brian, this all stems from a video allegedly involving a Hutto ISD employee. According to a letter sent to Hutto ISD superintendent from the Attorney General's office, the video shows that employee giving advice about, quote, workarounds that would allow a boy to compete in a girl's sport, which the AG says goes against state law. The law the Attorney General referenced was passed in 2021. It requires public school students to compete in sports based on their gender assigned at birth. The AG's office is now demanding that Hutto ISD send over documents, including the resignation letter of the employee and policies and training material complying with the requirements of the law. Today, Hutto ISD officials told KVUE the employee involved no longer works with the district. In a statement, Paxton wrote in part, quote, "The woke school officials endangering female athletes and trying to undermine girls' athletics by letting boys compete should know that there will be consequences for all unlawful activity," end quote. Staff with the lobby group Texas Values, which pushed to get the Save Women's Sports Act passed, say they're happy to see the AG enforcing the law.
Very important that all employees know what the state law is when it comes to keeping men out of women's sports. So if there's ever confusion amongst any employees, whether that's someone who's a coach or someone who's an administrator, we want to make sure that it's clear that there are no boys and girls sports and that they're following the law that was passed in 2021.
In a statement, Hutto ISD told us it's working to comply with the AG's office request and wrote, quote, "Views expressed do not reflect the policies or positions of the district. No individual is authorized to speak on behalf of Hutto ISD, and any statements made should not be considered an official representation of district policies," end quote. They also added the district is committed to upholding state law and UIL guidelines. The Attorney General also demanded similar documents from Dallas ISD and Irving ISD. Brian and Ashley.